Hello and welcome back to Simply at Home. Today is World Tourism Day. So I just decided to make a very quick, I know it looks long, but please join me in the short tour. As you can see, the tour is already started during this lockdown with incredible places in incredible India. For me, tour is always exciting when it is in India. I have also traveled other than India, but it has always excited me. As you can just see, I've just made very short, probably looks like a slideshow of the different places that I want to travel along with you here in this journey. But these are just few that I could think of. While the theme this year is for the World Tourism Day is tourism and rural development. I have always believed that in India, we've always been rich and rich in culture, rich in our heritage, rich in our food, and yes, tourism always helps. So, having said that, I'm not going to deep dive and dwell into the rural development aspect. So, I'm just going to continue this beautiful journey of sharing some key places that I could think of. And in the process, I have not covered everything though. And in the process, thanks to all the beautiful people, almost a quarter of my contacts who have come up with all these places as well. In case I have not covered any of it, I'm sorry. Do mention in the comments below. The reason why I have just given the names of these places and the beautiful background to this, yes, thanks to a lot of different people who have done this work of these pictures. So it's truly diverse. India is completely diverse. I would like to always say we are unity in diversity. So if you're not part of India and looking at this, my humble request is do come to India and have a look at all these places. I know right now it's lockdown, but these places and much more. So these are just a handful which has covered such a long time for me, almost a day for me to collate this information out here. But let me tell you, for me, tour, as I said, is always exciting when it's in India because of the culture, the different languages, different faith, different kinds of food, and yet everybody is warm, filled with compassion, and there is a lot of energy around these places where you can bounce back. It's more like a rejuvenation when you travel to these places, not just when you enter a spa, it's breathtaking when you go to these kind of places and come back. Okay, so my short challenge for you, if you're still here and still listening so far, then I'm sure you've already so keen in knowing what more places are being listed here as a part of the Incredible India and the Tourism Day. I have a challenge for you. Go ahead counting the list of places I have given here and mention in the comments below. But most importantly, I really would request you to have a look as to what are the places that you have already been to and what more places from here, if they are new, and what more places would you want to travel in India. Is there any other place that I have missed out to capture here? It could be something very simple. I know I have forgotten places like Atrapalli Falls in Kerala, the palace in southern part of Tamil Nadu. There are so many places which, just sample pictures have taken such a long time for me. It could just go far and wide because each space, each place has its own culture and heritage, which goes back to, some of it goes back to, the 2nd century, as far as some of the caves are concerned, the natural colors used for the painting, the stupas, or the architectural intelligence and marvel which people are still trying to uncover in form of the scientific approach. I don't have space for it, to share in such a short notice. But yes, if we are interested, we can go ahead making some more videos for you with some more great information. So if you have other places which I have not listed here, please do mention, because we have the best of geography here. We have hills, plateaus, plains, oceans, islands. You can also feel the Dhanushkodi island coming into, and this particular one, as you see here, the sculpture of Chidambaram, different art forms all sculptured out, and you can also see the yin and yang on one of those stupas or the stambas. We have natural reserves. We have Cherrapunji, which is like rains all around the year. We have ice falls, rainfalls, seasons of summer, the desert, which is Rajasthan and more, the white sand beach, the the non-white sand beach, largest of lakes where you can do boating, backwaters in India, where most of us know in Kerala is available. I just don't have words more than this to mention. Of course, the Ghats, which makes our tea and coffee, and most of all, blissful moments, blissful moments when you travel up or travel down those short hills, the neighborhood places where you can just probably a drive down in your own space has something very, very, very traditional, and probably is about 1,000 years old. It's up to us to go figure out where we are, and maybe we can share in the comments below one of those best places that you have been to in the local area as well. So tourism and Incredible India for me does not say you have to travel from the south to the north and north to the east or the west. Yes, we have to do that, because each of it has its own marvel, each of it has its own geographical and archaeological brilliance. I know I have not mentioned one important place here which I have awed for about 3 to 4 hours, the Taj Mahal. I have not mentioned that here because almost everybody starts off using that. I'd rather talk about something which is much, much, much more older in archaeology and probably in Indus Valley civilization, I don't know. So there are great many places. So my humble request is, do comment in the comment section as to what are the different other places that you can think of. So I take this opportunity to thank all my contacts, I guess about quarter of my contacts, who have given me all these different places, and I have traveled back in time to the different places that I have been to and been blessed to have been to most of these places. Some of them are just brilliant, and one key tip that I would like to share is, don't look at certain places as places of only worship. They have much more of heritage and culture than just the way it looks at. So enjoy the falls, enjoy the boat rides, enjoy the tea gardens, have fun with a drive down or taking those toy trains, or staying in the calm, blissful phase where your cell phone will not take reception in places like Masanaguri and the forest areas. Yes, you will also have a lot of mosquitoes, But that's the fun, when you have been to different parts and different instruments in each and every place, different kinds of art forms in each and every place. And yes, depending on the geography, the structural intelligence also changes. If you go to Kerala, it'll have all those slopey roofs. If you go to certain other places, it'll have shorter and smaller rooms to keep the warmth. There are places where in Tamil Nadu or Vizag or any other place in Andhra, you'll have those longer domes and taller constructions. So everything is just brilliant. It's just beautiful and brilliant, just like this aerial view of Haji Ali here. And I know I kind of suddenly sound like a cricket commentator who's just talking on and on and on, but I'm just too excited to share just a few places of incredible India. I'm sure there are much more, like the Varanasi, the Ghats. There are certain places, I don't know, the museums, the architectural intelligence, of course, which I have told. It's just brilliant. Nature at its best. Look at these islands out here, the Andaman and Nicobar, the Lakshadweep. By the way, the Gangaikonda Chorapuram and the 1,000+ year old Tanjore Brahadishwara temple, they're almost a replica, and this sunset looks exactly the same if you go at that sunset time. And you have to spend at least 2 to 3 hours in all of these places, minimum. Only then will you understand its beauty. And always take the best of tour guides. And this one being the latest, most of us do want to visit and see how tall this is. Signing off, this is Ramya Simply.